In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete all sample data from Freshsales. When you first set up a Freshsales account, it often includes sample records so you can explore the system. These can be helpful at the start, but once you are ready to work with real data, it is best to remove the samples to keep your pipeline and lists clean. The key to finding them is that sample records are usually created at the same exact created date and time because they were generated together during setup. Start by going to the Freshsales sidebar and opening a module where sample records appear. Choose leads, contacts, or deals. It is a good idea to repeat this process in each module, since sample data can exist in more than one area. Once you are inside the module list view, look toward the top of the list for the filter icon, which looks like a funnel. Click that filter icon to open the filtering options for this view. Now, filter specifically for the sample records. To do that, search for records that share the same created date and time as your account setup. In other words, you are looking for a cluster of records all stamped with the exact same created date and time. That shared timestamp is what separates sample data from the information you or your team may have added later. Take a moment to confirm that the results look like the sample set you want to remove before you delete anything. After the filter results are showing only the sample records, select them in bulk. Use the checkbox at the top left of the list header to select all of the visible records on the page. If your filtered results span more than one page, you will see a blue bar appear with an option that says to select all records in the results set. Click that link to select every matching record, not just the ones currently visible on screen. With all sample records selected, go to the bulk actions tray and click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. This will remove the selected records, clearing the sample data from that module. Repeat the same flow for leads, contacts, and deals until each area is cleared. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.